Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Now this video is for grade 10 and 12 students who is going to appear for the board exam in the next year. So today only CBSE has released the notification for the sample question paper for grade 10 and 12 for the current academic session, and you can see it's today's date only. It is published today itself. So CBSE has given sample question paper as well as marking scheme such that you will able to understand the question paper pattern, and accordingly you can prepare for the upcoming board exam. And they have also mentioned that there is no change in the assessment scheme in 2025-26. The assessment scheme is same as the last academic year, and the sample question paper for class 10 and 12 for the academic session 2025-26 is available in the below link. So you have to just go to these sites and you can see here very clearly that for all the subjects you have a sample question paper as well as marking scheme. Okay, suppose for mathematics standard I have to see the sample question papers. I have to just click here and you can see you will get a complete sample paper, and it is based on 80 marks, and very clearly it is mentioned that how many sections will be there, how many questions will be there, and section A will be from which question to which question, what will be the marks for that, and section B is having very short answer questions, section C will have short answer question, and so on. So you have to go through these instructions clearly. Okay, and you can see the questions are also given. If you want, you can solve these questions and you can check your answers also. I will show you that marking scheme is also provided. Okay, so see here, so many questions are given over here, and the total 8 pages are there. Okay, all varieties of questions are given here. You have to just view it properly, and answer key is also available. So if you go here, you can see MS means marking scheme. So if you click here, for that particular question, marking scheme is also available. So I will give the link in the description box. Those who want, you can just click and you can have a look in all the question paper and the answer key. So hope